From my 10 years of experience, I will reveal 4 hidden things about you that are silently eating your money, but you don't even know it. So stay tuned in this video until the end. The main point can come anywhere in the middle of the video. Let me ask you something. You work hard, you get a paycheck, but somehow your money disappears faster than you expect. You didn't buy a new car or go on vacation, yet before the next paycheck arrives, you already feel stressed. This happens to many Americans, not because they're bad with money, but because small hidden things quietly eat their money every day. Think of your money like a bucket. Your paycheck fills it up, but there are tiny holes at the bottom. You don't see them, but the money keeps leaking out. That's why there are so many Americans who are always poor. They can't get rich. They can't get rich because they don't know the things I'm going to tell you today. If you hadn't stopped by this video of mine, you probably wouldn't know who is eating your money and how it is being eaten. The first hidden money eater is subscriptions you forgot about. Streaming apps, music apps, fitness apps, and free trials slowly turn into monthly charges. Each one feels small, so you ignore it, but together they quietly leave your bank account every month, even when you don't use them. Another hidden problem is grocery shopping. You go to the store for basic items, but bright signs and tempting shelves push you to buy extra food. Later, some of that food goes bad and ends up in the trash, which means your money does too. Then there's convenience spending. Ordering food instead of cooking or paying extra for delivery feels harmless after a long day, but when it becomes a habit, those small costs add up. The last hidden eater is credit cards. Swiping feels easy because you don't feel the money leaving right away. Paying the minimum feels safe, but the balance stays month after month. Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because money leaks quietly in ways they don't notice. Subscriptions, groceries, convenience spending, and credit cards don't make you irresponsible. They make you human. The good news is that once you notice these leaks, you can slow them down. You don't need to change everything today. Just start paying attention. Awareness is power, and small awareness can lead to big changes over time. You're not behind. You're learning, and learning is how people move forward. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day. Here's something most people never realize. Money stress slowly affects your daily life. When money keeps leaking, you feel anxious at the grocery store, nervous when bills arrive, and guilty when you spend even a little. You start saying things like, "I'll fix it next month," but next month looks the same. This stress doesn't come from one big mistake. It comes from many small money habits repeating again and again. Just like gaining weight doesn't happen from one meal, money problems don't come from one bad decision. They grow quietly, over time, when small leaks are ignored. Now here's the calm and hopeful part. You don't need to be perfect with money to feel better. You don't need a big raise or a miracle. You just need to slow the leaks. When you notice where your money is quietly going, you feel more in control. Control brings peace. Peace brings confidence. Start small. Notice one habit, fix one leak. That's enough to begin. Money gets easier when you understand it, not when you fear it. You're learning, you're growing, and that already puts you ahead of most people. If this video helped you, subscribe for simple money lessons every day.